Haldia Institute of Technology, where knowledge meets innovation. Over the past 28 years, we have evolved into a knowledge hub with a technopedantic loom, weaving a tapestry of excellence in education. But our story began long before that. In 1996, a new era of engineering education started in Haldia, West Bengal. Haldia Institute of Technology was established by Dr. Lakhon Chandra Seth, former Member of Parliament and Member of Legislative Assembly, and active social worker. Dr. Seth, along with co-founders, the late Mrs. Tomalika Ponda Seth, former chairperson of Haldia Municipality, and Mr. Ashish Lahiri, Secretary, embarked on a mission. HIT, the first private college in West Bengal, began its journey on 25 September 1996 under the banner of ICARE. Our mission was clear: to build a center of excellence in the field of science, technology, and management education, creating dynamic human resources of global standards, ready to embrace new challenges. Our journey started with just 90 students in computer science and engineering, chemical engineering, and instrumentation engineering. The inauguration was graced by the Honorable Education Minister of West Bengal. Since its inception, HIT keeps on creating new milestones. In 2001, the main building was constructed. In 2004, HIT got the first cycle MBA accreditation for chemical engineering, computer science engineering, electronics communication engineering, and applied electronics instrumentation engineering. UGC 2F recognition was received in the same year. HIT was selected for Tech IT World Bank first cycle. 2005 fetched the first cycle NAC accreditation. Second cycle MBA was received for mechanical engineering, biotech, applied electronics instrumentation engineering, computer science engineering, electronics communication engineering, and chemical engineering. In 2011, HIT received UGC 12B recognition. In 2012 received MBA for EE. Second cycle NAC A grade in 2016. From 2017 to 2018, MBA was received for biotechnology, chemical engineering, computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, production engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics communication engineering, and electrical engineering. In 2018, HIT was selected as the Mentor Institute by NAC. The institute got the autonomous status for 10 years from UGC in 2019. To build a robust ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startups, the AICT Idea Lab has been established in 2021. In 2022, HIT has received A grade accreditation from NAC till December 2025. To achieve the vision and mission of the institute set by the management, we acknowledge the continuous and relentless efforts and hard work rendering by the principal, registrar, deans, head of the departments, administrative officers, faculty members, and all other employees of Haldia Institute of Technology during last 28 years of journey. HIT boasts a comprehensive infrastructure, featuring cutting-edge facilities such as state-of-the-art laboratories, high-speed campus-wide Wi-Fi, modern workshops, and AV-equipped classrooms. We offer separate hostel facilities for both genders, ensuring a secure environment. Our central library and departmental libraries are digital treasure troves. Collaborative research flourishes in our R&D wing, and physical well-being is promoted through multi-gym and playgrounds. We celebrate diversity through cultural and sports activities, notably our annual cultural festival, Riviera, which hosts renowned personalities and performers. HIT's impressive R&D efforts include 51 completed projects worth Rs 887.24 lakhs and 9 ongoing projects valued at Rs 207.71 lakhs. All eligible UG courses hold NBA accreditation. Currently, we offer 14 UG programs with an intake of 1560 students and 9 PG programs with an intake of 204. Our total student strength is 60-22 and our placement rate stands at 92%. Our dedicated team comprises 300 to teaching staff, 60 to technical staff, 49 administrative officers, and 118 other non-teaching staff, totaling 530 employees, including 116 contractual staff members. A few of our distinguished alumnus. HIT takes immense pride in its accomplished alumni, with 5 former students, Boran Bishash, Suhas Mukherjee, Anurag Patra, Abhijit Mitra, and Proshan Kumar Nag, contributing their expertise to India's prestigious space missions, Chandrayaan-3 and Aditya L1. Their achievements are a testament to the Institute's commitment to nurturing talent for remarkable endeavors. HIT has had the privilege of hosting numerous distinguished visitors over the years, including renowned academics, industry leaders, and government officials who have shared their insights and enriched the academic atmosphere of the institution.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
Institute of
and make a
Technology jointly
statement.
commemorates its 28th anniversary on this significant day, 25th September 2023. On behalf of the HIT family, we pay tribute to Dr. Lokpal Chondro Singh, DHIT, our esteemed founder chairman, a former parliamentarian, legislator, philanthropist, visionary educationist, and a catalyst for the transformation of Haldia through his remarkable contributions to education and societal development.
You know I'll always be a bit superior.